Want to know what it's like to live in the hottest building in East Village, just 1 block from Petco Park? Let's go check it out. Welcome to Parkloft Unit 304. It's urban, it's classy, it's sophisticated, all here in the heart of East Village. This unit has been beautifully enhanced with all new interior paint, top-of-the-line brand new Bosch appliances, and some Zero Refrigeration. With 10-foot ceilings, wide open spaces, and fully integrated sound system, this is the perfect place to hang out and entertain before a night out on the town or catching the Padres play. If you're looking to enjoy the vibrant lifestyle and all the amenities here at Parkloft, make sure to reach out to us today.